For those of you who are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell symbol to get notified of my new video uploads. It's time for a YouTube garage sale special where everything must go except for my YZ. Stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through. First off, for those of you guys that want to buy anything that I mentioned in this video, I have a special email address set up in the description and comment section of this video where to contact me. As you guys know, I recently sold my beloved CBR 1000 WR, but it went to a great owner that loves the bike as much as I do. But I've had that bike for over 5 years. I've done over 1,400 videos, and that bike is in the bulk of them. So I think even the CBR got tired of being in videos. It's just time for something new, fresh, and exciting. And the new bike that I want to add is very expensive. And also I want to whittle my bikes down to just 2 bikes. Just this 2019 YZ450FX that I converted to a street legal Supermoto / dual sport. I did a full build series on this, by the way. Link in the description and comment section of this video. But I'm selling my Aprilia and my WR and these parts that I had here, which I'll go over in just a moment. We'll start it off with the 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory that's still under factory warranty until November 17th of this year, so it's as good as new. This bike is like new, no scratches, dings, nothing. Fresh, minty fresh, just like new. Look at that, clean, baby, super clean. And what's awesome about this 2017 is that it's the only model year that has the green on the tail, which I think looks absolutely amazing. This bike only has 1,252 miles on the clock, as you see here. Absolutely amazing bike. The V4 is awesome and unique and rare. You don't see the V4 too often, and it is amazing, guys. I've only done 3 modifications on this bike. I put on the fender eliminator kit with the tail light with integrated turn signals, which was plug and play. I didn't touch any wiring at all. I have these special bar end weights that accommodate these bar end mirrors. Also, we'll be giving the stock mirrors with this and the stock fender with the bike as well, whoever buys this bike. And oh, this bike is absolutely amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. Whoever gets this bike, you're gonna love this bike. By the way, I'm selling the Aprilia for you guys $13,000. I have it listed online for $13,500, but for you guys $13,000. But I will tell you, I'm not giving any test rides. I'm not doing any showings. You've seen my videos. I'm open here on YouTube. You can see I have playlists for all of my bikes at my website CycleCruza.com. Just click on the menu tab My Videos, and there's playlists for all the bikes. You can see everything I've ever done on these bikes and the mods that I've done. By the way, I didn't work on this bike. This was only Aprilia maintained, by the way. If you want to buy the bike, you pay for shipping. I have a company, if you go to uship.com, you can often get rates for $500 or less. I've had 2 bikes shipped across the country before, and I've only paid less than $500 or less. I'm selling my lovely and beloved 2014 Yamaha WR250R that has over $6,000 in mods, and I've done videos on all the mods, most of the mods, and I've done a ton of videos on this bike. Absolutely amazing bike. It only has 2,073 miles on the clock, as you see there. Ton of mods. I'm selling it for $6,000. The biggest mod that I did on this bike, the most expensive, which is worth over like $1,500, I had the suspension done, change over to a absolutely awesome race suspension by GoRace.com, which I did a video on in the past, and the guy even shows you working on the internals of the suspension. Man, it completely transforms this bike. Absolutely amazing. And I'm going to include a laundry list of all the mods in this video so you can see all the mods I've done. I'm not going to go over everything, just a few of the mods. The FMF Q4 exhaust, the FMF Mega Bomb header, I have the radiator guard. I've got this aftermarket headlight with Cyclops LED light. This has auxiliary lights here. I have all the controls here integrated on the bar pad, voltmeter, the auxiliary light switch here, grip heaters. It has grip heaters, great in the wintertime. 2-map power commander switch on there. It has a Power Commander 5, and it was custom dyno tuned with 2 maps. One map was I have a modified airbox door, and 1 map for the stock door. I didn't touch any of the internals of the bike. Is stock, and you can go back to stock by just simply putting on the stock airbox door and flipping the switch anytime. So that way, if you go ahead into if you're getting ready to go into water, I would put the airbox door, stock door back on, and flip the switch to the stock airbox door. So that way, you don't get any water into the airbox at all. But if you're just doing dry woods, you can just keep the modified airbox door. And I always keep the stock airbox door in here. And I have tools in there. That's a Kriega tail pack, by the way. And also put on these custom DID STX Dirt Star rims, which are the best you can buy. And these have the gold spokes, the gold nipples with black spokes. And I powder coated the OEM hubs black, which that's something you can't go buy off the shelf. That's custom. It looks amazing. This is the stealth look, stealth setup. These are OEM plastics with the carbon fiber decals here on there. Seat Concepts comfort seat, which is expensive. That's a very expensive item. These are Dunlap D606 dual sport tires, which are light new. Look, you can even see the green line on them to show you how new they are. Absolutely like brand new still. I hardly even rode on them. I have the rear brake disc guard, DRC wide foot pegs, DRC fender eliminator kit. The list goes on and on and on. And I have a 3-gallon IMS tank. Like I said, the list goes on and on. Zeta handguards with integrated turn signals, as you can see here. Let me see here. You can see them when it's on, nice, clear, and bright. And then when it's turned off, you can't even tell they're on there. It looks amazing. Like I said, radiator guard, moose skid plate. I removed the AIS, the emission stuff on the bike. Absolutely awesome bike. Like I said, there's a ton more mods that I'm not mentioning. I have a lithium-ion battery. Amazing bike, man. And I have the OEM wheels that came with the bike. I took them off at 1,300 miles. I'm selling these separate for $500 plus shipping. Excellent condition. Like I said, I took them off at 1,300 miles. This is a new aluminum sprocket here. It's new. And these OEM Honda CBR 1000 RR wheels that I took off at 3,000 miles. Look at that minty. Look how clean that is. And I'm selling these for $600 plus shipping. And these are extra pieces of fairings when I switch it over to the Repsol fairings. These are new. I never use these. These are just extra ones that were sent to me, which I'll sell for like $50 plus shipping if you want it. Oh boy, like I said, if you want to buy anything here, contact me in the email. I'm not doing any showings. I'm not doing any test rides, none of that. I don't have time for that. Like I said, you want to see the videos I've done on the bike, just go to my website. So if you wanted, you want either one of these bikes or these parts here, contact me in the email. As far as the parts, we'll handle the sale through PayPal, and I'll weigh it for you and all, and tell you. We'll see how much shipping will cost. Like I said, $500 for the WR250R rims plus shipping. These rims, $600 plus shipping for the CBR wheels. $50 a piece for this plus shipping. So hit me up, let me know, guys. And by the way, if you want to get this fold-up trailer, which takes up so little space and it's absolutely awesome, I did a review on this, and I'm getting ready to do another review. I have a link to this in the description and comment section of the video. And for those of you guys who want to get any of my gear, like my airbag vest that I have, it's awesome, keep you safe out here. My carbon fiber super ultra lightweight helmet with mirror shield, my leather jackets, leather pants, glove C armor jacket, all of my gear. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear. Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.